The Yancey bass was popularized by Jimmy Yancey, who was an extremely influential blues and boogie piano player in Chicago, mostly in the 1940s. So take any major or minor triad, double the root as an octave, and you get this shape. Here I'm in C. Then play it like this. Outside notes first, and then the inside notes twice. Outside notes first, inside notes twice. And here's the rhythm. You can follow the link in the video description to learn my hand independence exercises to get this to be automatic so you can start using it. You'll see that once you get to the triplets with the right hand, you're going to start to sound a little bit like Fats Domino. And if you straighten out the eighth notes in the left hand, you're going to start to get a little Roomba action going on. Add to this the fact that you can play this bass line over any major, minor, or diminished triad, and you've got one of the most versatile bass patterns out there. Enjoy.